How to download InZOI on PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Steam and tap on the very first link you see there, that is store.steampowered.com. You will be led to the official webpage for Steam. Now make sure you are logged in, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself in. And if you want to install Steam on your device first, then you can also tap on the Install Steam button you see right beside the Login button. Once installed, tap on the search bar you see there and search for InZOI. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see the download button right beside the application. Tap on that and wait for the download to complete, and once completed, launch the app. So, this is how you can install InZOI on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.